Hi, Dr. Alborzi here. Congratulations, you started your Invisalign treatment. I would like to give you some tips here so you will be successful and you will finish your treatment on time and with satisfaction and be excited that you got it done as rapidly as together we could do it. So the first and most important thing is that you wear your aligners 20 to 22 hours a day. The reason for that is if you are wearing it less and it's not in your mouth, teeth just do not go where the aligners are telling them. It may seem as though they do, but what happens is that the plastic stretches and the teeth aren't going where it was designed to go. So that is number one. Number two is that if you have been given rubber bands to wear, you have to wear the rubber bands about the same amount of time as aligners. If your aligners are in your mouth, the rubber bands are in your mouth. Elastics are part and parcel to a successful treatment. And if you don't wear them as prescribed, you just are adding time to your treatment. And I know you don't want to wear these things one more day than you have to. The next thing is that when you put your aligners in, you have to use a little chewy. A chewy is like a little plastic cotton roll. So when you put your aligners in, the next step is to bite on the chewy once, twice, 4 times, and 5 times on each side to seat the aligners so they grab those little attachments that are on your teeth. Once you do that and you feel like some attachments aren't still fully seated, you take the chewy and you push it on the teeth where the aligner is on each one of them. You will feel the sensation that it is pushing the aligner on. This is very important because if the aligner isn't grabbing those attachments, teeth aren't really tracking well. The third thing is that once the 5 days or 7-day regimen that we have instructed you with is over, you need to inspect the fit of the aligners. You have to make sure that the aligners are fitting like a glove, that their attachments are fitting into the aligner. If this hand is the attachment, it's fitting perfectly into the aligner. If it's not, you get little gaps and spaces and saliva gathers, and you know that the movement isn't finished. If that's the case, do more chewies on that tooth. Stay in it a couple of more days, and then you are ready to move on to the next aligner. The fourth thing is to make sure that you change the aligners timely, that you are not leaving them out in your mouth any more than 35 to 45 minutes during meals. Use cellular devices to remind yourself to put the aligner back in your mouth as soon as you're done eating. Of course, after rinsing your mouth and brushing if you're able to do that. Always wash your hands or use sanitizers before you put your hand in your mouth to take the aligners in and out. If you don't have access to that at that time, you can use a napkin or a Kleenex to cover your hand and use that as a barrier, and you should be able to do what you need to do. It's very important that you keep these routines in to have a successful treatment. And we have lots of tricks in our bag. So if you find yourself that you're not really able to do these hours and things that we're asking you and you keep forgetting, call us. Let us coach you. We're here to help you. We're here to make you successful and very happy about your treatment. You've made a really good choice choosing Invisalign. It's an amazing system in lieu of braces, and anything we do sometimes has glitches in it. So we are here to help you fix that glitch and move right on forward. Don't wait for your appointment necessarily to handle these situations. It's a few weeks that you're still wearing them and it's not handling. So the best is right away, call us or come in and let us help you as soon as possible. One of the most important things that I want to reiterate here is the rubber band wear. If you have rubber bands, they need to be worn all the time. There's no way or trick out of it. I know every patient that doesn't wear them and thinks they can get away with them, they just wear their aligners longer. I want you to get it done fast and be happy with your smile and just show it off as fast as possible. So let us know if you need anything, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.